Listen to the money. Listen to the money talk. Shout it, flaunt it, run it, go with it. Money talks, watch me climb it. Listen to the money talk. Listen to the money talk. Money talks. Living life in the fast lane.
Most boats ask for permission to enter the water. The Exhilarator 201 takes it. Stretching 20 feet, 1 inch with a rock-solid 7-foot 10-inch beam, this isn't just a transport vessel, it's a precision instrument. We've engineered this hull with a 21-degree dead rise at the transom, meaning while everyone else is slowing down for the chop, you're just getting started. Under the hood, you've got the green light for up to 300 horsepower. That's enough raw muscle to turn a calm morning into a full-throttle adrenaline rush. But power is nothing without a crew. With a 6-person capacity and a massive 49-gallon fuel tank, you have the range and the room to stay out until the sun goes down. And when you want to find those hidden spots, the 13-inch draft gets you into the shallows where the others can't follow. The Exhilarator 201, built for the bold, driven by the best.